Okay, this one we're going to be going into the Londoner Casino, and we're going to take it from the parking garage. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll show you the Londoner and kind of how confusing it is to get from the parking garage into the casino itself. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this parking garage is usually always full in my observations, and we're gonna try to navigate up here, and you'll be kind of surprised that we're gonna go to Burger Shack, I think it's called. There's some fast food restaurant from America that we're gonna go into. So that's our parking garage right there, and then we're gonna take the camera all the way through. Oh, amazingly, we're the only person in here on a Wednesday. Sometimes it's completely full, so I believe it's 1. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna come out of the Londoner, and well, actually this one is not so bad. There's another casino which is kind of a nightmare to go through, but this one's not bad at all. So we're gonna be kind of navigating. Which one is that other one? There's one where you end up in this difficult place. Let me just see here. Could go down that way, or we go this way. I think we're gonna go down this way. So this is Londoner from the parking garage, and we're going to go to a place called Burger Shack if we can find it. Let me see. Is it that way? I think it's gonna be straight down this way. It's a little bit of a challenge because a lot of things are closed, and also the casinos in Macau, for whatever reason, they're usually quite closed at nighttime. There's a lot of people in there though. Huh. Gold shop. So here you can buy gold. Gold is really popular to buy in Macau. There's another gold shop too. These are like right next to the parking garages too. Huh. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going in, and so now we're kind of going to the main spot right in here, and I believe we might have to go up one. I think we're gonna be going to the burger joint. So yeah, this is Londoner. It's still a little bit under construction, and I think we're gonna have to go up. Let me just take a look around here real quick. Yeah, actually there's a nice lobby down there that we could go to as well. Later we're gonna go up, but you might as well get a view of the Londoner and what it looks like so far. You might even be able to go up near here as well. So yeah, Londoner is kind of the newest big casino that's it's reconstructed. So it used to be, I think, the Sands, and then Venetian and Parisian and Londoner are all three together. Yeah, now it's starting to look more like the Londoner, where these this when the Sands was here, this building wasn't really like that. So let's take a look. Kind of interesting because it's the East India Trading Company, which did a lot of trade here, right? So okay, so we're coming into one of the main lobbies, and you can see this whole area, and there's the reception to the right. That's our statue right there. So there's a reception, and then up there there's Burger Shack. You can, I think it's up one of these two. We're gonna go up there as well in a minute. Okay, then the casino's to the right. We're gonna avoid that one because the camera's not allowed to point it in that direction. So, but that looks pretty cool. So the Londoner is definitely changing. Churchill's Table, I think this is a bar restaurant, I think. Outside it's still under a lot of construction. I think this one is, looks like they're just getting all set up here. Okay, looks nice. So we're gonna be going up that way. I think the place we're looking for is up there. Lots of other stuff we're seeing all along the way, right? So let's say goodbye to this lobby in a minute. So there's Churchill's. Yeah, actually, Londoner looks pretty good, actually. It's changing a lot. It's different than the last time I was here, so it's looks nice. Churchill's table. It's got all these teacups. I guess that's a reference to British liking their tea. St. Regis is a hotel. And straight ahead is the iMac. Okay, London Pub and Grill. So it looks like maybe later that will be more busier. So there's an iPhone shop right over there. And yeah, so that's the Londoner and the Churchill's that's straight that way. And we're gonna be navigating to a burger place. Looks like we gotta go up one more flight of steps. Maybe I can try to sneak by. Here we go. So there's the so yep, that's the iMac. Camera battery died, so I just had to change batteries. So there's a Cheesecake Factory, and we're going to be navigated towards the burger joint place. Burger Shack? There's some American chain burger place. It's new to Macau. I'm from the United States, but I haven't lived there in so long that I don't know that chain. But I ate there once, and it was it's greasy, really greasy. I don't know if burgers are getting more greasier in the United States or what's happening, but we're gonna go there anyways. So I can't take you into the casino grounds, but I can take you into these other areas. Hopefully the music, sometimes they'll demonetize the video. So we're just kind of navigating into to the Sugar Shack. There's a Japanese luxury place, it looks like. Noble, looks like this has wines, stuff like that. Watson's is kind of a convenience store. Watson's, you can find it everywhere in Japan. There's not that many here. 24 hours Noble Mart. Hopefully we're going in the right way. I think that goes to the hotels. So that makes sense. So these two cater towards the to the hotel guests, so they can go to these kind of stores here. Restaurants straight ahead. Okay, so we're gonna follow the signs to Venetian and Parisian because the Burger Shack is kind of in that area. Hopefully I'll remember the name of it soon too. Let's just see here. Go down this way. I don't know if it's down this way or not. Let me see. I think it's down this way. Still a lot of construction here, so we're just gonna navigate it as quick as possible through this construction part. So you got these kind of fake temporary walls. Okay, so now I think we're opening up into the Shake Shack. That's what it is, the Shake Shack right there. So we're gonna go into the Shake Shack. And this is very few people here today. Amazing. Okay. Okay. So that's the Shake Shack right there. And we're going to show you more of the Londoner. Tell you one thing that's interesting about the Shake Shack though is that almost all the casinos are basically targeted towards the mainland Chinese market. So, but the Londoner has like two things that's a little bit different from it. One is they have that, the Shake Shack. They also have the Cheesecake Factory. Those are two that are probably the only two restaurants that I know of in all the casinos that have something for like a Western kind of thing. So actually, this Londoner is quite busy. Like if you go to the other casinos, they're really quiet at nighttime. You can walk this way to the Parisian and Venetian. Venetian is always pretty busy, but not at nighttime. But surprisingly, the Londoner is busy, and I think a lot of it is because you got some nice restaurants that people want to go to, that locals want to go to, and that Westerners go to. Because to be honest, like we're all willing to pay extra money for something different, right? But then all the almost all the other casinos, pretty much all of them, they do two things. They target almost entirely towards the mainland Chinese market. So that means that most of the food is only what mainland Chinese would want. So it's like different variations of Chinese. So they have like Singaporean and Taiwanese and Hunan and Sichuan food. But it's not really that interesting for people that are not from China. And then also if you're a local, you're not going to go to the mall and pay tons of money for, you know, a Chinese food when you can get it anywhere in Macau, all over the place. So for those two reasons, okay, Londoner, that looks real nice in there. That's all new. They've changed it since the last time I was here. Londoner, Bulldog, Zara. All the casinos basically have all the same stuff. Like Zara, there's another Zara. Lulu Moon, there's a Lulu Moon in definitely in Venetian and some other places too. So what really sets this one apart is the fact that they have a couple food choices that cater towards a more international cosmopolitan audience, when most of the city's casinos, they don't really do anything for foreigners or Westerners. They don't have any interest in them. So it's a nice change, basically. So okay, so we're gonna fade on out, and that's a little glimpse of the Londoner. Chiquinha,